Let's take a look at this figure 22-7, and we're dealing with cooking equipment loads in accordance with section 220.55 and table 220.55. Now notice we're looking at these service conductors in accordance with table 220.55, and where you have, say, a 3.5 to 8 3/4 kW, the column B to table 220.55 allows 80% demand. If you're less than 3.5 kW, then column A to table 220.55 allows 80% also demand. 9 through 12 kW and column C to table 220.55 just automatically gives you a 8 kW. So the notes 1, 2, 3, and 4 for ratings over 12 through 27 kW, and note 3 applies to 1 3/4 to 8 3/4 kW, and that's when you're above 12 and how you would treat the range if you had a range larger than 12 kW. And that's what this figure 22-7 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.